Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful food that can give your heart the care it deserves: leeks. Leeks are often overlooked in our kitchens, but they're actually packed with heart-healthy benefits that can make a real difference in your overall health. Let's take a closer look at how these green vegetables can help support your heart. Leeks belong to the allium family, the same family as garlic, onions, and shallots. This family of vegetables is known for its rich compounds that help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Leeks are especially beneficial because they're rich in antioxidants, which help protect your heart from oxidative stress that can lead to heart disease. One of the most powerful components in leeks is flavonoids, especially a specific type called kaempferol. Flavonoids have been shown to help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function, all critical factors in maintaining a healthy heart. Beyond antioxidants, leeks are a great source of dietary fiber, which plays an important role in heart health. High fiber intake has been linked to lower cholesterol levels, especially LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. This can help reduce the risk of heart attack or stroke. Additionally, leeks are rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, which is essential for proper blood clotting and healthy blood circulation. Vitamin B6, found in leeks, is also involved in reducing homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine levels are associated with a higher risk of heart disease. Studies also suggest that leeks may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Since heart disease and diabetes are closely linked, managing your blood sugar is key in protecting both your heart and overall health. Integrating leeks into your diet is simple. You can add them to soups, salads, stir-fries, or even make them the star of your dish. Whether they're cooked or eaten raw, leeks are a delicious and nutritious way to give your heart the care it needs. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your primary care doctor for specific health advice. And if you don't have a doctor, you can see an online doctor at MyHomeDoc Telehealth for affordable and convenient healthcare for uninsured patients via our telemedicine platform. Visit our website to learn more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.